Today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of my new iPhone mini 13. So join me. And before we get started, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for you to get updated sa lahat ng mga videos na gagawin po namin. We do videos for food, fun, music, sometimes like this one, reviews or unboxing. Well, this time it's not really unboxing because this has been opened already. So gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung aking bagong gadget na nabili. See you there. So here we are for my new iPhone 13 mini. Wow. Nothing so fancy about the box. It's a little bit smaller compared before. I used to have iPhone 6. It was with me for quite a long time because hindi naman ako masyadong maselan sa phone. Since the new iPhones, like especially this one, the iPhone 13, magagamit ko rin kasi siya sa mga videos na gagawin ko in the future. Instead na dadaling ko pa tong camera ko to. Minsan istorbo kasi lalo na yung mga mabilisang kuha lang, nakakita ka ng mga scene na maganda na gusto mong ilagay sa videos mo. So kaya naisipan kong bumili din ng ganito. But to be honest with you, nabuksan ko na naman siya. I just wanted to show you how does it look like. It's paid already. Yeah, a green color yung nakuha ko. So ito, the way it looks right now. Ito siya. When you open the box, it's the iPhone itself. I found a good reviews on this one, of the iPhone mini. Ayoko kasi na masyadong malaki because most of the time I'm wearing jeans. So ayoko masyadong bulky yung mga packets na pinaglalagyan ko ng mobile ko. Tsaka takot ako, parang feeling ko lagi siyang mababali. Kasi nga naka-jeans ako eh. Tapos yung shape niya ngayon, parang yung sinauna na iPhone, kaya ako siya nagustuhan. Aside from that, syempre yung camera niya, maganda na, high-tech na. Tapos, napaka-compact niya. Maliit lang kasi yung kamay ko, hindi masyadong malaki. So eksakto lang siya sa kamay ko. So, buksan natin. Ayan siya. Ganda naman, okay naman siya. It goes with the cable, like the charging cable, but not the adapter. Now, the adapter you need to buy separately, like this one. It's kind of expensive kasi from Apple. I bought it from there. So, what's in the box? You only have the cable, charging cable, and as I've mentioned earlier, you need to buy separately the adapter for that, because this is for your iPhone. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Yeah. There you go. Ayan po. And on the other side, it's a USB-C cable. C connector siya. No? So, if you're using the old model of iPhone, hindi na po pwede tong cable na to ng iPhone 13 ngayon. So, just to open it up here. Kasi iba na yung ano niya. Now, you need to have this one connected on this one. Just like that. In order to connect your iPhone for charging. What else in the box? It's just a manual, nothing special. Sticker, the pin to open for the SIM card. Yeah, this one, the sticker, Apple sticker. maganda to sa gitara. May lalagay ako sa gitara ko. So nothing so special in the box, just the unit itself. Kasi yung iPhone mismo speaks for itself dahil napaka high-tech na nga niya, maganda siya, sarap gamitin. Yung quality, yung camera niya, yung quality, maganda talaga. The best para sa akin. Magagamit ko na siya anytime kasi nasa pocket ko lang siya. No need for me to bring all my stuff every time I'll be going out for some places. Well, for some particular places, syempre kailangan kong dalhin yung mga gamit ko dahil syempre iba pa rin yung tunay na camera na gagamitin mo. Kasi limited lang naman yung magagawa mo dito, katulad ng macro photography, hindi mo naman siya magagawa dito. Magagawa mo slightly, pero hindi naman katulad nung talaga sa camera na full blown macro lenses yung magagamit mo. Talagang maganda yung quality. But for some scene like normal lang naman na hindi naman ganun ka, you know, na cinematic. Dito na, meron naman siya cinematic mode, pero hindi pa rin ako ganun ka-contento. Pero at least magagamit ko siya sa mga photos, sa mga clips na kailangan ko, sa mga videos na gagawin ko kung saan man ako mapunta. Iyon, tapos ano ba? Nothing left in the box. It's just like that. Ang liit na nga ng box niya ngayon nagulat nga ako sabi ko, ito na ba yung iPhone nung hiningi ko yung ano, kasi the last iPhone na ginamit ko is iPhone 6 pa. 6 nga ba? O 6S. 6. So hanggang sa nabasag na siya. Binasag siya ng misis ko kasi nag-heart ako dun sa post ng no, I'm just kidding. If you do have any further question or comments regarding the iPhone 13 mini, please do write it down below. And sa mga non-subscribers ko na nanonood ngayon, just to remind you, hindi to complete review ng iPhone. The reason why I did this video is just I was extremely happy that my loving wife bought me this one. I wasn't expecting because we were talking about the iPhone SE, no, and so that was the main phone that we're planning to buy, but this is on the list, to be honest, and she decided to buy this one instead dahil magagamit ko nga sa mga content na gagawin ko sa YouTube or sa Facebook, or sa mga videos na gagawin ko in the future.